welcome to the garden. I am Gail, your pond plant and garden girl. Today, by special request, we're going to learn how to make a small container pond that you can put on your deck or patio. Come with me. Let's learn what you should and should not do when you're creating your mini garden oasis. What do you think? Is this metal container a good idea? No, it's not a good idea, including any rust or chemicals that may leach into the water. This is a good idea for a little pond setup. The only problem is that the water gets so dirty and it's way too complicated. Instead of using dirt, use nice clean pea gravel instead. And don't forget your mosquito control. Here's a great example of a mini pond, but let's see if we can do better. The sound of flowing water is so pleasant in a little pond. Only problem is it will damage any floating plants or water lilies that you have in your container. Water hyacinth is nice, but it will dominate your mini garden pond. At Walmart online, you can purchase a lovely resin whiskey barrel or this nice blue resin container for under $20. This setup is nice, but once the plants mature, they will crowd out the container. A better option would be mini water lily, or even white water fringe, or yellow water fringe. Creeping Jenny adds a lovely accent to any mini pond as it drapes over the edge of the container. Height contrast is perfect for your little pond, but you only need one tall plant. The mini cattail in this picture is so cute, but I never had any luck trying to grow the little tiny bulbs on the cattails. Tall plants that I prefer are mini horsetail rush, pickerel rush, and spider lily. All these plants do not get very tall and will look perfect in your little garden. Another popular choice for a mini container pond is water iris. All irises can be planted in the ground, but not all irises can be planted in the water. So when you purchase an iris, make sure that it is a water iris. Another beautiful option is variegated water iris. Let's just take a moment right now to like and subscribe and share with a friend. Today is a cloudy day, so that's why the fountain's not squirting up very high. I put this pond in a few months back. It's just a small kiddie pool pond, and I threw in what I had at the time, which was primarily frog bit, and it has taken control. I got my bucket.
I got my bucket.
All the waste plants are going in the mulch pile, and that I will use for my vegetable garden later on. Gotta keep the hornworts. Well, that didn't take very long. And I know it seems very wrong to be throwing plants away, but any pond, large or small, you've got to thin out the plants, just like you would a regular garden, about every 3 months, especially during the growing season. I got a full pot of plants I'm putting in the mulch pile. This is the site of my future mulch pile. Ta-da! Here's my water fringe, and it has really taken off. Let's create a whole new look for the new pond. Going to put this in some pea gravel and let her take off. I got a nice little bunch here. What I'm going to do is put it on the edge of the pot, and then the roots will go around. That's just what you do. You would think you'd put it in the middle, but no, that's not how these grow. They grow in a circular motion. And get the roots under the gravel level. I'll show you in a second. Doesn't look like much now, but once it starts to grow and find its way, it'll look great. Nice and gentle. There it is. Remember when we put in this water poppy? Look how much it has grown just in a week and a half. It looks great. I still have a lot of work to do in and around the pond, but look how much nicer it looks now that the plants are not crowded. Well, my garden friends, thanks for coming in. I'd like to thank Leslie and Darlene for their awesome idea of having the small container pond tutorial. You have a great day and keep on being you. I'll see you next time.